This is Ansar Hadi. Now we are discussing about the types of how home owners insurance policies. There are several types of owner insurance policies that different in the amount of insurance coverage they provide. The different types are fairly standard throughout the country. However, individual states and companies may offer policies that are slightly different or so go by other names such as standard or deluxe. People who rent the home they live in have specific rent policies. The various types of homeowners insurance policies are listed below. Home 3. This is the most common policy and protect the home from all perils except those especially excluded. HO1 Limited Coverage Policy. Thus, bare bones policy provides coverage against the first 10 disasters. It is no longer available in most states. Basic policy. A basic policy provides protection against all 16 disasters. There is a version of HO2 designed for mobile homes. HO8 Older home designated for older homes. This policy usually reimbursed for damage on an actual cash value basis, which means replacement costs less depreciation. Full replacement cost policies may not be available for some older homes. HF4 Enter created specifically for people who rent the home by they live in the this policy protect personal possessions and any part of the apartment that the policyholder owns, such as newly installed kitchen cabinets against all 16 disasters. HO6 Condo Co-op, a policy for people who now own a condo or co-op. It provides coverage for the belongings and the structural part of the building that they own. It protects against all 16 disasters. All type of disasters are covered. Most homewares policies cover the 16 disaster listed below. Some bare bones policies only cover the first ones. Fire or lightning, windstorms or hail, explosions, riots or civil commotion, damage caused by aircrafts, damage caused by vehicles, smoke, vandalism, or malicious mischief, theft, volcanic eruption, falling object, weight of ice, snow or sleet, accidental discharge or overflow of water or stream from within in a plumbing, heating, air conditioning, or automatic fire protective sprinkler system or from a household appliances. Sudden and accidental tearing apart, cracking, burning, or bulging of a stream or hot water heating system and air conditioning or automatic fire protect system. Brazing of a plumbing, heating, air conditioning or auto fire protective sprinkle systems or of a household appliances. Sudden and accidental damage from aircraft artificially generated electrical current does not include loss to tube, transistor or similar electronic components. Standard home owners policies exclusions. Standard homeowner policy exclusion coverage for flood, earthquake, war, nuclear accident, landslide, mudslide, sinkhole. Some of these exclusions are discussed below. Floods. Floods damage in excluded under standard owners and returns renters insurance policies. Flood coverage, however, is available in the form of separate policy both from the National Flood Insurance Program and from a few private insurers. Additional information on flood insurance can be found on the Flood Smart Go website on by calling 888 or 379 or 9531 for coverage over and below the $25,000 limit for property and $1 lakh for contents provided by the NFIP. Excess flood insurance available for private insurance companies. See top on flood insurance on page. Tasmanians cause flood damage and are therefore only covered by a flood policy. Earthquakes. Earthquake cover can be a separate policy or an endorsement to a home owners or renters policy. It is available from most insurance companies in California. It is also available from the California Earthquake Authority, a privately founded damage resulting from faulty, defective, or inadequate inadequate maintenance, workmanship, construction, or materials. Defective products can include construction materials, and insurance policy will not cover damage due to lack or maintenance, mold, termite infections, and infection from other pests. It is policyholder's responsibility to take care snowballs precautions to protect the home from damage. Leave of coverage. There are three coverage options. Actual cash value. Actual cash value. This type of coverage pays to replace the home or possession. Means a deduction for depression. Replacement cost. This type of coverage paid the cost of rebuilding or repairing the home or replacing the possessions without a deductive for depression. Granted extended replacement cost. An extended replacement cost policy pays a certain percentage, currently 20 to 25% over the coverage limit to rebuild the home in the event that materials and labor costs are pushed up by a widespread disaster. For example, if homeowners take out a policy of $1 lakh, they can get up to an extra $2,000 to $2,500 of coverage. Some companies offer a guarantee replacement cost policy which pays whatever it costs to rebuild the home and if it was before the fire or other disasters. Granted and extended replacement cost policies are more expensive but can often offer excellent financial protection against disasters. This type of coverage, however, may not be available in all states or for all companies.